and that time offline market is not be available. And the one plus point is online market is generally the net is there, and you can see the large number of variety of product, and they are but there is a situation, the network, sometimes network issue, that for the ordering any product, that can be technical problem. So sometimes it's uh, you can say stopped due to some error. But I think as for this situation, the various of discount and discount type offer have to become, big billion sale have to become, and in the Deepavali time, or you can say in Dasara, and presently also 7th of September and 30th August, it's going on various in mobile and other product. And but I think many of time I also see that in the feedback of some laptop company, various product, that they have online the product when the delivery have to be go, but sometimes the product have to be come, and in the box there nothing product is there. And if they are not after that saying, so that can be disadvantages, and their recovery is not there. So there's time of there's I think there's a limitation drawback of this online market. But you can say in the opposition for the offline market, purchasing a product, and you can see here warranty is there, and you can see, and you can check on the time, and that can be very big advantages for us, for the people who are taking the offline market. So I prefer generally of offline market, but in the situation come, the online is preferable when the offline market is not available. So over to Pradeep bhai.
Okay, Amit bhai.
Hello.
Actually, just I was thinking you were asking for a topic, but you had just started to speaking. That's why I just stopped. Okay, that is nice.
Yeah.
I think you are in favor of
Okay.
offline
Okay.
market.
After,
So yes, Amit bhai.
yes, I think it's a depend upon situation. When the during the situation of 4 to 5 months, if the product is not there and not go to the market, and government is also said that you have to not get going for the offline online market it, and that's a valuable product. But in few situation, it's a drawback. For the example I am taking about the product have coming, and box is empty, and sometimes stone have to be there. So that type of only few situation I think so,
Okay,
maybe.
so you are in favor of offline
Yeah.
market. So we are moving towards Neha. Then we have Shekhar bhai,
Yeah.
Vishal bhai.
Yes.
Okay, okay, Neha. What is your view?
Okay, yes, offline and online, both the markets has its own advantages and disadvantages. First, I'm going to start with the offline market. It's a traditional way, and it is never ending, because as soon as the online market has introduced, a number of person are taking advantage of it, but still there are person who think that they only purchase things, and they just purchase and sell only through offline market. Offline market, first of all you have to have some proper space, and if you are you must have some proper area, proper space for selling your product, right? And if a person has purchased something, and he or she can repurchase, or repurchase the things from that particular uh, shop, or this kind. And but in case of all online market, and we need not have some any space. It's not a matter, because if we compare, if we want to start some business, some offline business, we must take care of the space and the area. We should consider most of the a lot of parameters, that what sort of audience you want to target, right? If I open let us say, if I open an institute in the area where only PSEB student sorry, only state level students are there, a coaching institute. So right, so I'm just uh, targeting that audience. So area matters in that case. But if I start teaching online, so I will get the area of my audience is beyond, like it can I can get students from the my area, some another area, some other city, some other, or even some other country also. So I think online market, whether you are opting for any of the business, whether it's a like teaching, or you are selling, it's a, you are providing any services, or you are offering products. So it depends, like if you are opt for online, so your area or your target audience is comparatively big as compared to the audience that you are targeting on the offline market. That's it.
Okay, so thus I want to share something about my experience, what I feel. Actually, I'm totally in favor of online market because there are many advantages over the offline market, because in online market, sitting at home, we can purchase anything, whatever we want. Also, we can find any every brand at a single place. Suppose if you are talking about e-commerce site, we have Amazon, Flipkart, uh, which are more famous compared to other sites. So in Flipkart and Amazon, we can find anything, whatever we want, because they are providing everything. But when we talk about offline market, suppose I have to purchase 5 items. I have to purchase clothes, I have to purchase some grocery. So I have to move from one shop to another shop. Then I can find, and then I can buy everything. But in case of online market, at single place, I can buy anything. Also, whatever I mentioned about brand is, suppose I have to purchase from 5 to 6 brand, at least one place I can find. But in offline market, that is not possible. And what I feel, as Amit Bhai mentioned about some disadvantage of online market, he was mentioning about network issue. I don't think a network issue is a major problem for online market. Yes, I can say about the product, because we have no idea how product is, because we are selecting through the online mode and we are not checking physically. So sometimes what happened, what we see, basically we did not find that product. So after receiving that product, we can check, yes, this is good or bad. Then we decide if we have to return or not. And also, uh, if you're talking about payment mode, so we have a cash on delivery as like online payment also. But in offline market, what is advantage? At least you can check your product. Your product is good or bad. So at a time you can decide you have to buy or not. So I feel this is basically a major difference during the lockdown. As we know, the online market has the highest level of popularity, because people are just staying at home and they are buying everything, even grocery, vegetable, clothes, etc. I think, in my view, I feel very much comfortable with the online market, because I am also used to and also very much interested, because wasting my time, at least I can find everything, whatever I want. So this is from my side. Actually, I am in favor of
Okay, I
online.
want to ask you a question, Mr. Pradeep, that don't you think sometimes we need to compromise on the basis of quality? If we are shopping from online sites or something,
You
because
know,
we are not aware of the quality at that time. We have just reviews of the persons, and sometimes they are fake too.
Neha, actually,
And
Neha, in my speech,
yes.
I have already mentioned this is disadvantage of online market, because we have no idea कि product is good or bad. After receiving, only we can check this is good or bad. During my speech, I already mentioned this is a bigger disadvantage of online market. I know due to discount. Actually, I have seen very differences between price. Just I am taking example. Once I was I was very much interested to buy a T-shirt. Actually, just I searched on the Flipkart and got price was 1499 rupees. But when I visit the showroom in physically, they are asking for 1999. So that was difference of 500. So I think in that case,
Mhm.
I was very much interested to online market because I can save 500 rupees. And I think you can find this is issue with some offline market because they are not going to reduce. Also,
Right.
you can get the many offer during the online market. So that's why I am in favor of. As I can
I
accept.
want to answer also the
Okay,
question.
okay. Yes,
Okay, can I answer?
yes.
Yeah. Okay. When it comes about quality, so I think we have to compromise if we are going offline market. We don't need to compromise in online market, and the reason is only one. First of all, I think definitely I'm pretty sure you might are talking about the clothes and shoes sometime. Just because these are the things that we have to check the qualities, and if we are not looking, if we are not well aware, sometimes we just feel, oh, this is not the thing that I have seen on side. But nowadays it's also a little bit hectic for those people who are working, but now it's not a big deal to replace. So first of all, this, even if you have, just imagine if any case if you have wrong product, so you can do this. Okay. Second of thing, like Mr. Pradeep has mentioned, even in clothes, if you are going to purchase a branded cloth, then don't need to worry. If it's a branded, the quality will be same even if you will go in offline market or in online market. And the best part, you can find not only one single product, different varieties of product. Okay, and if you are going to purchase a branded product, then we don't need to worry about quality. The quality will be same, equal. And but if we are going to purchase in terms of clothes and shoes, like if they are not branded, and just because we all belong to middle class families, so we all the time prefer to purchase normal clothes, so we can use on a daily basis, and that is enough for us. Okay, but I think this is only applied on a cloth and only one time, not again and again. Like, just imagine, if I will talk about myself, so definitely when it comes about clothes, I can't totally realize sometimes the size issue and sometimes the quality you issue you told. But when it comes about shoes, I purchased a shoes first time from offline market is Spark shoes. But next time, just because now I know what the size and what the quality of that particular Spark shoes, so I can easily order with whether it's a Amazon or it's a Flipkart. Now I'm well aware about that product. And when it comes about electronic products, we have tremendous option in online. We don't have any single option in maybe I said the wrong. We have tremendous option in online, and we don't have any more than 2 and 3 option in offline. In some places, even you don't find that product. I need headphone. I need my anything for my phone. We can easily find online, and with variety of uh, colors and qualities, and also with varieties of prices. Okay, and definitely price differ if we are going to purchase offline markets and in online markets. So this is the answer from my side for that particular thing. I have not completed yet my whole
Okay.
speech, so I have still
Okay,
to speak. So if
definitely.
someone
We
wants
are
to speak,
going
then
to
I
give
will
you
speak
chance
later.
again. So please wait. Actually, we have Shekhar bhai, Devi bhai. At last, you can compile everything. Okay,
Yeah,
because you need some time. So Shekhar bhai and
yeah.
Devi bhai, please. Vishal, Mark, if you are interested to speak, so you can speak. Okay, Suman bhai.
So, look, there is a debate of offline market and online market, whether we like it or not. Even if you are against the online market, in this era, and in this year, you have to be the, you have to accept it, whether you like it or not. And if you
Mm.
talk about the problems, and then there is problem in offline market as well as online market too. Like there is a, uh, as my voice is audible.
Yeah, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes, yes.
Like if we talk about that there is defective product, then it's not only in the case of online market. In the case of offline market, there is also the case that you can be you can purchase some defective product or destroy or damaged product. And and there is if you talk about the other cases like other problems like which we face in our uh, in our offline market, like there is sometimes there is no availability of a stock, then it's the same problem it exists in online market too. And if we talk about the branded products can be purchased from the offline market, then it can be purchased from the online market too. And if you will talk about that, there is a problem that sometimes the branded products are fake, then the same is the case with the online market too. So if we look about the problems, then then there is the same problem, almost all the problems are same in the offline market as well as the online market. But I'm in favor of online market. So look, there is a what's happened that it provides you different advantages. Like it provides you a platform where different sellers where different sellers can come in a platform, and they can sell their product to all over to all over the India or all over the world, whatever the reach of the platform it is. And so what it happens, it's not it's the vendor is getting the vendor is getting the market, and as well as the customer is also getting the market. So because of this competition, the prices are reduced, and consumers can purchase the products at a lower consumer can purchase the product at a lower price of the same quality that the consumer would have been purchased from the offline market. And the other things like about the branded products, different products at under the one roof, it is not possible for any of the offline market to sell from the pin to the from the pin to the car under one roof. But these all can be purchased and sales. Their transaction can be held in a platform, in an electronic platform provided by an online market. And other things like these other things that it provides, it also provides the tremendous opportunity of employment. Like there is a you need a delivery boy, you need you need someone who can package, you can do some packaging, who can do some packaging. You need some IT guys who can manage your who can manage your application. So these so it also provide employment in different different people who belongs to different field. So it's also a very great a very good opportunity for those people who are seeking jobs. And its available sorry and its importance is rightly depicted, and depicted is not the word, not the right word. Its importance is we understand rightly in the case of lockdown, where every market were locked down. Only these shops are allowed to provide some necessary goods, and these are provided by the delivery boy. So you can at your own place can have the access of different goods. And look, in the 21st century of the busy lifestyle that we used to live, where you don't have time. Each and every person don't have time to go to the market, to different markets for different stuff. They can easily purchase their products from the market. Like when we were in Hyderabad or in Delhi, what we do is to just after returning from returning from office, just order the food, and the food at our doorstep before we reach at our places. So these are the different benefits. And yes, there is some disadvantages, like there is sometime there is a delay in delivery, there is sometimes there is a refund issues, the refund issue is there. And and one thing that is really a disadvantages, which stops many people to opt for online market, is the uh, lack of what to say is to yes, lack of qualification. So lack of what to say, that word is electronic
Aware.
qualification. Sorry, sorry, lack of digital qualification, or lack of digital awareness to how to get involved in the transaction. It also leads to sometimes the phishing. And you also hear that the case that sometimes it happens that the transaction, you pay your bank account is the issue of with your bank account, something it happens. So these is the big case. And the one other the major disadvantage is the you required big investment to uh, open an online platform, so that so that different vendors can come and to start the transaction, which is not in the case of offline market. So so there is also different things, like why I said that you have different options in for the brand in the online market and other things. So it's okay. So it's over to you, sir.
Okay, so we have Vishal Bhai, Ravi, Mahak, Devi Bhai. If you want to say, please, you can speak. Okay. Okay, Mahak.
These people almost have covered all the points, but additional I want to say that because of these online shopping, people are getting chance, like housewives who were just firstly confined to their homes. Now they are getting opportunities to go towards these things and engaging in these things. Like now these housewives are engaging in selling the products like kurtis and all through various sites, not through these only Amazon and all, through WhatsApps and Facebook. All these things are also being used by these people for getting chances to earn money by sitting in their homes only. As well as now few children are also opening their online shops for foods too. Like on Instagrams there are several posts related to you can bring your order from our place. So these are giving opportunities to such people who are just sitting and are unable to do their things. So they are getting chances with the help of these online shopping. As well as now in corona time, if there are no offline online shoppings, then we cannot every time go out to purchase our things, because sometimes there might be more corona cases here in our society, so we cannot go out. So these are several things which are beneficial for us in these hard times, which are getting easier due to this online shopping.
Okay, Vishal, Devi Bhai, Ravi Bhai, please.
Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so yeah, I because from the other guys mentioned all the points about regarding to the offline market and online market. So I want to add up some point. Yeah, both are very tremendous place, and it's a and we have a lot of chance to market, do shopping. And if I talk about the online market, yeah, it's a gigantic place, a platform where we do. There is a lot of variety and diversity of do for the marketing, and And for the there is no doubt it's a time saving, and and also for the money saving platform where we can, if we do shopping, and just for the one tap on the button, and we can do find any lot of kinds of we can do shopping. And if talk about the offline market, yeah, you have to go for the market, and it's if you have no time, then it's difficult. But also no, they have to, if you not to find any product, you have to manage, I mean, to go to the one shop. If you not find that product, then you have to go for the another shop. So that's the things happen. And if I talk about in another terms, like a problem return policy of the product, online you can find some kinds of product, you can find the simple return policy. If you have got any defect product, then you can simply return, but it will take more time. Sometimes it will take it will take more time to return the product, and also to get the new product. And some kinds of product you face the many problem on the return policy. And on the online market, you can't rely on the all time, because you there's no necessary, because what kinds of things your product are you going to purchase, that is not the necessary. It is a original, yeah, that it's not a fake, it's not a second hand. So it is a chance to gray marketing. It's opportunity to establish, I mean, to encourage enhancing the gray market. And if I talk about the offline market, then you can find the trustworthy shopkeeper, and also you can rely, sometimes you can rely, because when you find any defect, you can change at that moment, hand by hand. And you face a lot, means a minor problem. uh, and also sometimes you can find, when you find any, when you're going to for any clothes shopping, then you have to not to return policy. So I think both the platform, when you're going to purchase anything, first thing is to aware about the return policy. Because if you when you not no in the online market, there's a lot of variety, and also alluring to us. And we also sorry so in the purchasing of the things, we can't we are not making the more attention on the return policy. And and also like other things is that we yeah, we know that in the online purchasing, we have to no chance to uh, it's to touch physically any product, and that how to know the quality about the product. So there's a lot of things. And other aspect of the offline, you can touch the product physically, and you can find, if you satisfied with the product, you can purchase. And another things that yeah, it's but if I talk about the gadgets, like electronic gadgets, and any home accessories, and any other kinds of product, you can go for. If you not find, you can if you not find in the in offline market, then you go should you should go for online. And then you can find. And I think sometimes what happened, it is not also necessary that what kind of product you are going to purchase, that price is lesser than from the offline product. That is not necessary. And I think not all the time it happens. So because we have also made a mindset about that, when we are going to online, because when we are going to online purchase, that yeah, that product, yeah, that thing is should be it must be I mean it should be less price comparison to the offline product. That is I think that's not necessary. And so we have to first thing, both a platform is important and their own place. And so we should go for first time, if you are interested in something product, then you should firstly go for the offline market, and after that you can go for online. If you compare to each other, if you satisfy, you can purchase. And also like so I think so that's all about from my side. uh, yeah, Pradeep.
I just
Okay.
I just want to ask, what is gray market?
I think gray market is that like no selling the second hand product on the online.
I don't. I don't have idea about it. So I have asked.
As like Chor Bazaar, you can say.
Okay.
Achha.
Okay.
No. That is
Yes.
not Chor Bazaar. I don't think it's a gray
Okay.
market. That's a black market. We can say Chor Bazaar.
Black
Because
market
like
and Chor Bazaar
if
is
you
both
have
are same. Okay. So Devi bhai,
when you buy the product.
Devi bhai,
Yeah.
actually we have 7 minutes. You have to speak 2 minutes, and remaining 5 minutes is allocated by Dhruv bhai. Okay. So try
No,
to.
Okay,
it's
sure.
okay. He can take 3 to 4 minutes.
Don't
I will
worry.
just
We
sum up
can
my point.
reschedule this meeting. Don't worry. Okay.
So I will start with the white market then. There are white goods are available in online shopping. So we will get many opportunities to see and go and see where is the product is available. There is no monopoly market in e-commerce. So we'll get plenty of opportunity to see where are those products, and we can compare the prices between uh, two shopping websites in home itself, while sitting in home itself. And if I want to shop in midnight, 12 o'clock, no physical shop will be open at that time. So for online shopping, it is used. So I can shop 24/7. But the delivery time, it depends. But no issues. If any urgency, we can go for any near shop. And one more thing, few products which is not available in my city. So by that time, we can approach for online shopping. And in online shopping, anyone can be the buyers or anyone can be the sellers. They can interchange whenever they want. So if the person want to start the business, he can be get it installed, means registered through the e-commerce with the easy, like without with the simple procedures. So you don't need to pay any physical shop or something. So it creates many job opportunity. As Shekhar Suman told, there are many supply chains and the goods persons and the developers. So in that domain, e-commerce, they will pay more money to the employees compared to the shop physical market. So remaining 5 minutes are there. So I want to start. I want to tell alphabetics: A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J.
Okay. So Dhruv bhai, now this is your time. You have 5 minutes 20 seconds. So you have to cover all the point what Shekhar bhai mentioned, Mahak, Vishal, myself, and Devi bhai. So please try to compile all the point. Okay.
Okay, so definitely I think Mr. Shekhar Bhai and also Vishal and Bhai, they all have covered so many points regarding what is the plus minus point and where should you go. I think Mr. Vishal Bhai, he has talked in a favor of offline, and Mr. Shekhar has talked in a favor of online. He is not against, but in a favor of online. So they both guys have covered so good points. And so I want to mention more about the awareness part that Mr. Shekhar has told, and I also want to tell about the pricing. I mean, yeah, it is not all the time true, but it is more than 90% time true. You will find less price product than in the offline market, and there is a reason. First of all, the reason is just because it's going whole uh, whole state. Okay, so many people are purchasing at the same time. Another thing, if they won't give you in a low price, why you will purchase that? You will definitely prefer to go offline. And just because, you know, even nowadays we are definitely stepping up towards online, but still so many people have fear, less awareness. That's why we, again, even we see there are less price, but we sometimes just, and definitely it happens most of the time in a mobile phone or sometime in laptop, but now people are purchasing. And another thing, in online marketing, a person who has just created product and after 1 and 2%, they can direct sell to the customer. But when it's coming from Bangalore to like my district, so it went through so many distributors and also the people for the charges, the rates. This is how it increases. This is the reason if we are selling something online, like if I have to sell something, what I will do, definitely all the audience I can't cover, so I will go in a market, I will sell that product. But if I have so I will firstly sell any merchant, then he will sell to the other people. So definitely we can see the difference of price. But at the same time, if I'm selling online, I don't go to outside. Only I have to create an account, and after that just know how to just pack and just send. And this is how you're also covering a whole lot of areas. So price depends, that's why. Another thing, okay, just because also I don't have much more time, so I want to talk about the awareness part. Still we have so many problems in terms of purchasing online product. And the most part, it also comes like nowadays we got cheated all the time in terms of credit card, debit card, and online fraud. And I don't think it is just because of the Amazon or Flipkart or any online sites. It is just because you are less aware about that. If someone is going to talk you, and if they are telling I'm going to offer you something, and if you will tell them OTP, your number, all the things, so definitely you have to face the consequences of that particular thing. So first of all, you need to aware. If you are putting your credit card number and debit card number on Amazon site or any site, then definitely there is no risk. There is no risk even if you are putting that your particular number. But the risk is when? Risk is if you are going in that site which is not certified. They are giving you a product in sometimes 1 rupees, 2 rupees, and they are offering you so many offers. So in terms of purchasing those products, you don't read, like Mr. Vishal has mentioned, we don't read policy and terms. We just purchase, we just put everything. So in that case, there are chances they can sell your the number and the credit card details to the other person. But still again, you have chance to save your money and save your so you can save yourself from online fraud. So for it, what we need to do, we need to become more and more aware. If someone is going to call you, no matter what the offer they are providing you, even if they are giving you a Maruti car or anything, don't trust them. And especially if they are asking just, this is how they ask you, this is how they will give you a kind of greediness. And if we become greediness, no matter we are going to offline or online, they will cheat you. Another thing nowadays, it is on a more trend, and I think most of the person.
Dhruv bhai, just I am requested to everyone, please join this meeting again. Please, for 15 minutes only. Please join this again.
Okay, and I will also tell the best point. Yes, that I'm going to tell.
That's why I'm saying, please join it again. That's why I'm saying. Please join it again.
You should come.
Okay. Yes. Only for your speech. Okay. Please join. Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, so the main point that I wanted to make now, it's I think new point, and maybe few people you might know about it. Nowadays, what is in a trend? It's carding. If you know the word carding, and it is now in a trend. And what they do actually, just because it's an online market, all people are aware, Amazon and Flipkart. So, what the people nowadays are doing, actually, this is a kind of cheating, hacking. What they are doing, what they do, they will offer you. They are going to purchase for you a product that will cost more than 50,000 or 50,000, just at the rate of 400, 500, and 1,000 rupees. And not only they will tell you, but also they will give you a whole lot of proof. Whole lot of means they will give you a screenshot of every single chat that they have done with, maybe they might have done, but they didn't done actually in a reality. They will give you a chat of that, just see, this is how I have chat with person. He has ordered, he has transferred me money, and also the screenshot of that particular money transferred. Second thing, they will give you a screenshot of that particular product. Just take example of iPhone X. Okay, and they will order you. Yeah, definitely. And it's going on. If you will go on internet, even you can search this particular talk. I mean, that thing I'm telling on YouTube. And even if sometime, if you have a kind of chance, if someone is telling you, I'm going to purchase a product in a behalf of you, you don't need to worry. Just tell me the product. I will purchase in a behalf of you in very, very less price. So if it will cost you around 40,000, they will charge you 4,000, 6,000. It depends. And anyone can become, you know, greedy in that particular thing, that, oh, now if it is in a low price, so yeah, definitely I can purchase. Another thing, they will give you actual not actual tracking, but they will give you a screenshot of tracking number. There is a tracking number that they will give you. Third thing, another thing, they will also show you some photos, some videos which has created by the some member, that I have got this particular product. I mean, the unboxing, you can say, like Asus Zenfone. So they will try to give you a whole lot of belief that, yeah, now you can believe. This is going on, and all of these things is fraud. First of all, this is fraud. Next thing, it is right, it is also true, the thing that they are doing, it is also true. What they do actually, I will describe little bit, that like nowadays we are telling we are only getting online fraud if we are going to purchase something online. No, you are also getting fraud with your credit card if you are going to purchase online. What you do, you sometimes you don't know how to use your credit and debit card. So what you do, you give your credit card that particular shopkeeper, merchant. What they do, they just take a pic and copy, I mean, the snapshot of your particular credit card. This is how they have your whole detail, whole number, CVV, everything they have. What they do, they sell it, this particular you know, information to other person. Now other person, what they do, like I need credit card of another person. I will purchase that credit card. In a behalf of that credit card, I will order any product, just because that is not my credit card. So I can order n number, like if no matter if it's a 1 lakh, 2 lakh, why I will care about it. I will order. I will also give a fraud address, or the address that is not actually exist, but I will give. So this is how they do. But they do only for themselves. It is not possible. If they will order that particular product at their home, even your home, you are going to caught by a police, and this is how you have to bear the consequences, even in a prison. But this is a, you know, I thought they will give you whole assurance. They are going to give you your product at your home, and they will order you can do. But at the last, they will definitely tell you, just make a payment before the product. They will give you every screenshot, everything, but they will also tell you at the same hand, you have to make the payment, few payment just before order and a few payment after the order. And now what's the trick in the order part? What they do, you know, we all know it nowadays. It's everything. We can even make an Aadhaar card by ourselves by using Photoshop. We can just copy paste. We can put any photo, any name, anything. It's very easy. Same thing. They just take a screenshot of another product. They keep a track ID of another product. I mean, I'm just telling. Some people have also, they have gone through this. You know, they have lose more than 6,000, 7,000. You can watch on YouTube. Even I have also went through such kind of thing, just because I was using Telegrams. There were some offer in one channel. I was they were selling, if you want something, you can purchase. Definitely, I also contacted him, but I asked him so many questions about it, and after it, and they also use the word carding. Then I search this particular word on YouTube, and then I get to know what is actual reality. So be aware. Even if you will got, first of all, there is no chances to get that product in less price. But even if you will get, then you have to also bear the consequences. Maybe you can also go in a prison, just because it is a cheating. It is a whole cheating. You are using another person's credit card, and you are cheating that person, and also the sites, online sites. It is ultimate cheating. So we don't need to become a greedy. And it is also to, in terms of when someone just steal your money from your debit card by asking OTP and by asking your CVV number, they will give you a greed, and you are, you know. So these are all the things that we need to aware. And don't worry, like if you are aware, no one can cheat you, even in offline and online. But I have given you example. If you are using your credit card, debit card, even in offline market, be aware. You have to use, even you have to just keep your credit card number. So no one, the whole credit card number, I'm telling top of the number. So this is how, if we are aware, we can save ourselves. At the same hand, this is also the beauty that all you guys have shared. At the same hand, so many people, they can sell, so many women, they can sell many products that were never possible if they were at home. Now they can do. And also at the same hand, we can purchase. And we have lots of varieties of product and qualities that we have already discussed. But at the same time, we also need to become a part of it, just because it is also giving so many people a chance to make money. Not only a person who are merchant, but also a person who have just some digital knowledge. If you want to earn, you can create your account and you can help those people who are merchant. This is how you can make also money. So many tremendous options we have that we can use. And also sometimes one question just comes in our mind, that it is not good for offline merchant. No, it is good for also for them, just because in online side they are already offline merchants who are purchasing, who are selling the product. Like they are the merchants and we are the customer who are purchasing. But the best part about it is now they are also selling their product to all part of the state. And sometime in the case also, if they are more aware, they can sell their products out of the country. So many things that we have, but also at the same time, use your brain, use your common sense, so you will never got cheated with anyone.
Okay, thank you.
So I just want to ask.
Yes, Suman bhai, now
Yeah,
platform is open. Anybody can ask any question to anyone.
No, I just want
Vishal bhai,
I just
Mahek,
want to
Amit,
ask from Dhruv
Rekha, so please.
that had you been fixed by that Telegram channel or not? Because
No.
because what you had what you had just explained in a very good way. I experienced that in Telegram channel because there is a lots of account that are just involved in this.
Everywhere.
And one thing I just want to say that there is a now we can generate an electronic credit card number. So whenever we have to make a transaction with our credit card, so we must first create an electronic credit card number and then use by that number, so that it after that after some time this number has automatically deleted or inactivated. So you have to create a different you have to create your number again and again. So use that so that you can be at a safer side.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So, Mahek, Vishal bhai, if you have any question or if you want to say something, so you can continue, because we have
I want to say something.
10 minutes.
Yes, Dubai. Hello.
Mhm.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah, I
yes.
can hear you.
Yes, brother.
Yes,
What
I think
can't-
I I am saying that in the credit card, the person, my senior, have to say that they have purchasing some something product in.
Mhm.
So they have, I think, they have no shipping product, shipping to their machine. Very distance, I think. After that, they can be uh, card can be read. I think that's a very you can say disadvantage for this card sweeping. If anyone have the their very late distance, you are getting my point. What you have to
Your voice is
do
breaking,
by
so I'm not getting your whole point. I'm only getting the whole distance. Like your
you
voice is
can
Your
see,
breaking.
voice is
and
not clear, brother.
yeah,
Go
maybe
ahead.
network issue, maybe network
Yeah.
issue,
Yes.
and the balance have the cut.
Mm-hmm.
Cut it out. Situation of balance cut very
Actually, Dhruv bhai,
distance.
what I am getting
That
till now, actually, Amit bhai just trying to say that someone has swipe the credit card. I think swipe the credit card and balance is just cut
no
down.
no no
Without swiping means.
no stepping not. Yes. Very distance of 1 feet, or you can say 1 inch. You very much distances. So and the balance is cut, and because the product had to be taken. But in the case the person have not to be taking a product, and any person in the you can say the person have a credit card in their pocket, and the sweeping machine have to become, and finally the balance have to cut maybe in the future. So what do you think that's disadvantage, and what the question is that if you understand and if you understanding my
Actually,
point
Amit
or
bhai,
not.
this is a different type of question. Today we are talking about online, offline. So please be within this
Okay.
topic. Next time, definitely we are going to discuss more about
yes.
debit card versus credit card. Then also we can find what is
Yeah,
the
one
advantage.
point
Okay.
definitely, but you know,
Yes,
just one single
Mahek and
sentence.
Vishal bhai.
One single sentence I want to say. Just one single sentence
Yes.
in this part, just because I think Mr. Amit wanted to know from my side what will be the future technology. So in future, even we don't
Yes.
need to take, you know, or with our credit card, our only I will be sufficient. We have to just see
Yes.
in front of the screen, and your money will be automatically deducted. So don't worry about future technology. Technology had tremendous options for us and many opportunities.
But
We don't need to worry about
I think
future technology.
I think
I
in future,
think but very often maybe the security have lost maybe in the future. There may
Amit
be security
bhai,
problem.
Amit
In
bhai,
this case,
what I
security problem
Yeah.
is also there.
we are going to implement the concept of
Security problem is also there in this
I
case.
think, because in USA there are various
Yes.
countries where we are following the concept of social security number. That number is applicable for everyone. If you are going to visit the hospital, if you are going to visit the cinema hall, from that number you can do anything. Maybe in future, in our life you can see this technology. Not talking about our children, something.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mehak and Vishal, if you want to say something. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to say something.
Yes, Vishal
So
bhai.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
think Sunday market is very good for the shopping. You can for buy the purchase cheap product, and also it was durable sometimes. And I mean, just use and throw it, and you can purchase other things. Just I'm saying in the funny things. I mean, in the funny sense. So because you know Sunday market is where it's a famous in the metropolitan city and also in the small city.
Yes, I think this type of market everywhere. If you're talking about Delhi,
In the
you can find Sarojini Nagar, Atta market in
yeah,
Noida.
yeah, absolutely. And I think
Everywhere.
it's not for the small kind. I think for the middle status of the people just do shopping, and I think lot of peoples do, and it doesn't matter what kinds of status of them. Eh, everyone do shopping.
Yes, yes. You are in
I
really
think, and also
yes. So actually, Mahek, and if anybody, otherwise we are going to stop this meeting. Okay. Shekhar bhai and Shekhar. Okay, so thank you guys for attending this. I think no one want to speak something, so that's why
No,
it's a time to close.
that's
And
all,
thank you,
sir.
Dhruv bhai, because you have a lot of knowledge regarding any topic, whatever topic we discuss. Always
Yeah. Pradeep bhai.
so much.
A
The
lot.
way he explained,
Yes, Pradeep
I
bhai.
thought that he got through, he got through with that fishing.
No, some actually, Shekhar bhai, sometimes I want to put some technical topic, but due to other
Yeah,
members,
yeah.
just I stopped that. You know why? Because I think everybody is not such so much aware about technology
Yeah.
part. I'd like
Yes,
suppose if you are talking about artificial
like Dhruv bhai.
deep learning, machine learning, so I think many people have no idea because.
Yes,
So
yes.
just I'm trying to put some easy topics so at least everybody can
No.
speak and also.
So we can what we can do is just a suggestion that what we can do is just if we want to some put any technical issue, so we can inform one day before so that we can make some homework so that we
Yes,
can
yes,
speak because
definitely.
we have
I
to
think,
gather the points.
yes, okay. So thank you, Dhruv bhai and Shekhar bhai, Vishal bhai, Amit, Sikha and Mark. So thank you for attending this. Okay, thank you. Just enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night.
Thanks, brother.